Why do smart people make bad money decisions? Why do people with a high income still struggle financially? Because money is not about intelligence, it is about psychology. This is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Explained simply. This book is not about how to get rich fast, it is about how people actually behave with money. Your emotions, your experiences, your fears. They control your financial decisions more than math ever will. Moving towards its core ideas. Idea number one: money decisions are emotional. People think money is logical, but most money decisions are emotional. For example, people panic, sell during market crashes, people overspend to look successful, people avoid investing because of fear. Smart decision fails when emotion take control. Moving towards idea number two, that is, everyone has a different money story. Your view of money comes from your life experiences. For example, someone who grew up poor values security over risk. Someone who grew up wealthy is comfortable in taking risks. There is no single right way, only what makes sense for your story. Idea number three, wealth is what you do, not say. Real wealth is not in cars, not phone, not luxury. It is money not spent. For example, savings, investments, financial freedom. Rich people buy time, not things. Idea number four, the power of compounding. Small decisions repeated over time create massive results. Short example, saving a small amount every month, investing early, and staying patient. The biggest factor is not intelligence, it is time. Moving towards idea number five, reasonable beats rational. Being perfectly logical is hard. Being reasonable works. Short examples, choosing safe investments you can stick with, avoiding extreme risk. Surviving matters more than getting rich faster. To improve your money life, control your emotions before numbers. Spend less than you earn, build long term habits. Be patient, design your life for peace, not comparison. The psychology of money teaches one simple truth: doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are, it has everything to do with how you behave. If this is helpful to you, subscribe for more book summaries. Thank you, guys.